Do you want to color match a video using just an image in Premiere Pro? In this video, I will introduce you to an amazing plugin that allows you to easily color match any video with just a reference image. The plugin I am talking about is Retouch for Me. This tool makes color matching simple and efficient. First, you need to log in and register an account on their website. Once you sign up, you will find a variety of useful plugins available for different softwares, including Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve, and Premiere Pro. For video retouching, the specific plugin you need is the Color Match plugin. If you use the special link provided in the video description along with the promo code, you will receive a 20% discount on your purchase. So don't miss out on this great offer. Once you have downloaded and installed the plugin, open Premiere Pro and import your video clip. After importing the clip, go to Effects panel. In the Video Effects section, you will find a folder named Retouch for. Open this folder, locate the Color Match plugin, drag it onto your clip. Now go to the effects control panel. Here you will see all the properties related to the plugin. To apply color matching, click on open reference image and import the image you want your video to match in terms of color. Within seconds, the plugin will automatically adjust the color and you will clearly see the results. For a smoother playback experience, make sure to render the video after applying the effect. If you want to color match with a different image, simply click on reset color match, then open a new reference image and repeat the process. It's that simple and efficient. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to use the link in the description along with the promo code to get 20% off on your purchase. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.